Welcome back. Brett here with clickmill.co. In this video, we're going to do a fake publish. It's going to be real, but we're going to delete it. And I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see here on the screen. We're still in the debug window. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to exit. And actually, I should probably just exit the whole screen there. And then we're going to come over here. And I'm going to come over to tags. This is usually just where you're going to live, is on the tags page. And you can see here we've got our test tag. You can see that it fires on the trigger, on this particular trigger. And we're sending to Google Analytics 4. And so in this case, we're going to go ahead. We have Workspace changes 3. We previewed it. We know it works. We're going to go ahead and submit that. Now, version name, maybe I can say, 1.1, or I could say, test tag. And then I'm going to come in here and I can make notes. This isn't like the notes, at least. I would definitely make the name, but the notes isn't always 100% relevant unless you're like changing things in a very complicated account. And then you always want to make sure you're saying what you changed, because when you publish this, if you break the website, if all of your tags go down, if all of your triggers go down, you can revert the account back to this save. So it is important to know, as your account gets a little more complex, what's going on. But minimally, I'm not going to write a description here, but I know we made the test tag right now and we're publishing this. Any thoughts on that, Neil?
Yep. All good. Sorry, I was on mute.
That's okay. All right, cool. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to publish. We're singing, apparently, and here we go. So you can see here where 1.1 test tag is published, and it gives you an overview of what happened. And we're going to go ahead, exit that. And we're going to go now. You'll notice here, Workspace. We're going to go back. This is where we create the tags, is in the Workspace. Okay, so in that video, we have published the tag. Neil, something I would like to do in the next video is I'd actually like to set up the conversion tag that is going to link over to, a primary account, which would be a Google Tag Manager account, presumably. Is that something we can do?
Google Tag Manager account setup?
Yeah, and then we can actually push that tag over to the new Google Tag, the GA4 account. We'll push that over, and then we'll actually show them the tracking in real time. Is that something we can do?
Yeah, of course.
All right, cool. So before the next video, we're actually going to go back. We're going to set up the new GA4 account, which should only take a minute or two, but when you see it, we'll have that connected, and we will create the linker tag to Google Analytics so we can actually push that button click information over to Google Analytics. You can see it in real time. So with that, we'll see you in the next video.